Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox VR less laggy. We will begin by ensuring your computer meets the foundational specifications for virtual reality. A capable graphics card, such as an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060 or higher, and at least 8 GB of RAM are essential for a smooth experience. Your processor should ideally be an Intel Core i5 or equivalent, offering sufficient power. Confirming these basics sets you up for success. Next, we will focus on optimizing the settings directly within Roblox VR. Navigate to the game's settings menu and look for graphics quality options. Reducing the graphics quality from maximum to a lower, more manageable setting, like 3 or 4 out of 10, often provides significant frame rate improvements. Decreasing the render distance also reduces the load on your system, helping your virtual world load much faster. These simple adjustments can make a substantial difference. Keeping your system's software up to date is absolutely crucial for optimal VR performance. Ensure your graphics card drivers, whether NVIDIA or AMD, are the latest available directly from the manufacturer's website. Similarly, verify that your VR headset software, such as Steam VR or Oculus software, is fully updated. These updates often include important performance enhancements and bug fixes tailored for virtual reality experiences. A well-maintained system runs far more efficiently. To free up valuable system resources, it is important to minimize background applications while playing Roblox VR. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary programs like web browsers, chat applications, or streaming services. You can use your computer's task manager to identify and end processes consuming significant CPU or RAM. This ensures that your computer's processing power is almost entirely dedicated to running the virtual reality experience smoothly. Every bit of freed memory helps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.